guys, it's Peter here, and I've got something new for you today. I just bought a brand new MacBook Pro 16-inch M2, as you can see, some Apple product, and I wanna share with you the literally first impression of a, not even a MacBook, but even a Apple product. I never had a Apple product before, never. Yeah, I know, I'm a newbie. How you cannot have a iPhone, or how it's possible you never had a MacBook or something like that? Yes, I never had, and yeah, and I decided to have at least once in my life. So I was fighting with myself for a while whether I wanna buy a MacBook or I wanna buy a normal Windows laptop. So I had this fight in my head, but MacBook won. And I'm not really sure even if because of a technical specification. I think it's more about I really wanna try something from Apple product. So yeah, here we are. Let's see what is in there then. I'm so excited, but at the same time I'm so stressed. Because you know, with my luck, probably while I'm gonna opening this box, I'm gonna drop it on the floor, or I'm gonna crack screen, or with my luck probably there will be something wrong with it. And I'm not saying about Apple, it's always same with me. Just me, I'm just fucking unlucky guy. So yeah, what we've got, the box looks like that. Hopefully that video gonna help someone who's planning to buy a MacBook. Looking like that. We got some specification at the back. It's pretty heavy, to be honest. I think the weight of this laptop was about 2 kg, if I'm alright. So it's pretty heavy. I think I got some specification here, but I also print myself some notes. Yeah, but I can see it's 16-inch MacBook Pro with Apple M2 Pro chip. We got a 16 GB unified memory and 512 GB SSD hard disk. It got 12 core CPU and 19 core GPU. That's from my note actually. I cannot see this one here. Yeah, it's got so many things. I just cannot remember all this stuff. And to be honest, it's not the technical specification video. It's more about if I'm gonna like it or not, and if someone who also think about buying first Apple product might help him. Actually, yes, yeah. All right, yeah. So 16-inch MacBooks coming with the price, at least in the UK, the cheapest one cost £2,699 in the Apple store, and that's the cheapest 16-inch MacBook Pro. There is no cheaper one. You can buy cheaper option, but that will be 14-inch or 13.4 if I'm right. Yeah, this back go here. Actually, pretty nice back, decent back. Yeah, so let's open it up. How? No, not like that. There's 2 pieces of tape. I think I have to pull it. Oh shit, you just saw my bald head. I think I have to pull it. Honestly. Oh, also very important is I bought a silver option. Because you got silver or space gray, I think it's called. So I bought a silver. Yeah, it's coming up now. It's coming up now, boys and girls, lads and girls. Yes. decent. Yay! I'm so excited actually. Even the box is proper solid. Okay, that's just a piece of paper. We don't need that, we don't need that. So we got our MacBook. Hey. Nice. Yeah, actually it is pretty heavy. It is pretty heavy, I have to say. So, we got our laptop, MacBook, or however you call it. We got a cable. That's the charging cable, I'm pretty sure. We got some, okay, that's instruction. We got a UK, how it's gonna work? There's some charger here, but it's, I literally think it's not a, how it, sure, don't tell me. Oh, okay, that's 2 pieces charger. Yes, it is. You have to put this one in there. Yeah. So yeah, that's the. Is there anything more? No, I just paid £2,700 for 4 pieces of tech. I'm stupid. I love buying expensive shit, to be honest. I love it. Fuck everything. I'm gonna buy expensive shit. Yeah, this one going back. I think we're gonna keep this one. Box is pretty solid. It's going in here. So yeah, that's the stuff you receive in the box, which is obviously our MacBook Pro, charging cable, charging brick, and a charging sock plug. Yeah, gonna open it up. I'm gonna open it up, or I won't. I don't even want to open it, to be honest. Like, it's so nice. Hey. So I'm gonna also show you a couple shots from a open, after the open. I'm gonna show you actually a couple things, couple shoots from the opening laptop, and obviously I won't show you installation, all this kind of stuff, because you are not interested and I don't want to do it. I just want to open it up and start using it. So yeah guys, I'm gonna give you a next review after a month from now on. Today is, I think, a little 9th, so I'm gonna give you in roughly 1 month. I'm gonna give you a review how I like MacBook product. So I will see you soon guys. Take care, bye bye.